Hello everyone, DJ's Aviation here, welcome back to another video, and the second of the day. And I know very well you've probably all seen this in your subscription feed and are like, what on earth, didn't you just make a video saying you wouldn't be uploading as often? And yes I did, and because my organisation skills are just so high, I do have the spare time to do these sorts of videos, and there's been heaps of news. In the past day, we've had news coming from Airbus and Boeing regarding their up-and-coming aircraft. Today, we'll focus though in on Boeing, with the Airbus one coming out tomorrow. I did in fact have a whole heap of videos scheduled to go out during these weeks in case I was busy, but they will now be pushed back, so stay tuned for them as well. To me, it just seems that the news has been endless over the past couple of weeks, and I'm not complaining. With the Singapore Air Show coming up, it'll also be interesting to see what developments come out during that period. Anyway, this news is regarding the 737 MAX 7, which has just in recent hours debuted at Boeing's Renton factory. The 737 MAX 7 rolled out of the hangar to a huge ceremony with thousands of Boeing employees in attendance. At this stage, the 737 MAX 7's introduction to service with airlines is penciled in for January of 2019. A great way of recognising this aircraft is by looking at its length. The aircraft is intended to replace the 737-700s, which are known for their super short and stubby aircraft frame. This 737 MAX 7 though has actually 2 added rows of seating, which means it can carry now 172 passengers depending on a specific airline's configuration. Boeing has said that this aircraft will not only have added rows but also improved range, which is set to change in the coming years. At this stage, the range is 7,130 kilometers, but by 2021, Boeing planned to get it up to 7,251 kilometers. The 737 MAX 7s are going to be very popular throughout North America and Canada, with Southwest, who are expected to be the launch customer, opting for 30 of them, WestJet with 23, Canada Jetlines with 5, and then ILFC Aviation with 5 as well. The aircraft began production in late 2017, and now the 737 MAX family altogether has accumulated over 4,300 orders, which is certainly an impressive total. I'd love to hear in the comments section who you want to see order this shorter variant of the 737 MAX. Once again, thanks for tuning in to another video of mine, I really appreciate it, and I'll see you next time. Peace.